All right, welcome back to Island Life Live. Time for some shakas and shout-outs. First of all, to the Council for Native Hawaiian Advancement. Joining us now from CNHA is Community Engagement Coordinator Skye Razon-Olds. Aloha, Skye.
Aloha. Thank you guys for having me.
Yeah, we've been seeing you all week this week, bringing all of our guests from Maui over to our set over here. We thank you so much. And again, thank you because today marks 1 year since the devastating wildfires over in Maui. And we want to mahalo CNHA for everything you folks have done. I mean, you guys have done so much. I mean, to Kākoʻo and Kokua, our ohana in Lahaina and Greater Maui. And again, we just want to thank you so much for that commitment.
You know, honestly, it was easy. You guys met with Dustin, Kapili, Kukui. They're an inspiration as survivors doing this work. Yeah. It just makes it so much easier for us at our headquarters on Oahu, being able to commit the way that we have.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Now, you know, there are families that are still trying to piece together their lives. And one of the first steps is that rebuild. We need to put a number on that. Can you share what the average cost of rebuilding a home in Lahaina is? Because I know that, you know, prices have been fluctuating and all this kind of stuff. What does that cost?
I'm gonna throw out a lot of numbers at you. Okay. So get your calculators out, start thinking about what this means for the community. Average homes were about 1,500 to 2,000 square feet in Lahaina. We know 1,700 properties, TMKs, personal TMKs were destroyed. That's about 2,000 personal properties, homes that we lost. The quotes that we're receiving from the community and from builders is about $350 to $400 a square foot to rebuild.
A square foot.
I'm not in construction, but that to me is a crazy number, but just with how much of a need there is, that number seems to keep rising. The average, what we're coming out to is about $600,000 to $800,000 for the complete rebuild. And that's building it to the basics. That's not including fire-safe materials, fire-safe roofs, things that we want the community to have. We want Lahaina to be built back better, and we want our community to stay. So what we're getting quotes, and the data is showing us that it's averaging over $1 million to rebuild.
Oh my gosh. How do our families who already, we struggle day to day living here in Hawaii. That's the price we pay for living in paradise. How do they do that from scratch?
You know, we had 22,000 individual donors give funds to CNHA, and we've been able to do a lot with that, but we need more. Yes. We truly do. And looking at those numbers, looking at insurance and FEMA assistance, our community received $300,000 to $500,000 for rebuild. So each person is probably short $100K to $500K.
Wow.
Yeah.
I know that you guys also assisting, can you, even in so many different ways, can you tell us about the Kākoʻo Maui pre-development grant?
Yeah, so this is the first big part that we launched for rebuild. It's $15,000 for owners that are primary residents in those homes. They lived in the home at the time of the fire. $15,000 to get going. Anything you need to do before the build starts, we can help you pay for.
I like that. So that can be like is that like for permitting?
Permitting, surveys. You got to fix your cesspool. You need to fix your reconnect to the county lines. All of that is covered.
Wow.
Yeah.
But we still need money for the house.
Yeah. We need money for the house.
And I think that's where the call and the need is great, right?
Yes.
I mean, that is an incredible program. I wasn't trying to downplay that.
No, it's an amazing program.
Yes.
But with the funds we have, we can cover about half of the primary owner-occupied units in Lahaina. That's it. Wow. We still have another 300 primary owner-occupied units that we want to cover.
So that's the big question. Where can people learn more information, and where can they donate? Where can they go for that, Skye?
HelpingMaui.org. Everything's there, the donate links, learning about our programs, way to get involved, ways to volunteer, we have it all there.
Awesome. And if you're an architect, if you are a contractor, if you're somebody that works in the building industry, we definitely want to be able to lock arms with them, yes?
Yes. So that takes us to our Rebuild resource page. So our resource page has some amazing opportunities and different resources connecting them. We worked with the American Institute of Architects, their Maui chapter. They really came in and just showed out. They provided us with free or very, very minimal cost, just beautiful designs for the community to use. And that's a huge cost save for them. But the best part about it is there's such different designs that we hope that Lahaina can retain that character. You know, we don't want another cookie cutter neighborhood, and Lahaina definitely doesn't. So this is gonna be a great place to start. It's affordable. We also have links to different contractors. They're certified contractors. That's a very important word. They're all there, so if you want to get involved, you want to help rebuild, we can get you on our website as a resource. You want to donate, that's the way.
And what's the website?
Helpingmaui.org.
Helpingmaui.org.
Yeah.
Skye, thank you guys so much at CNHA.
Yes,
Give everybody
sister.
a big hug for us when you get back to the office. All right.